Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I got another thing from my friends over at Vevor. Yes, you guys have seen my review videos on Vevor products. That truck is completely loaded with Vevor products. Train horn, roof rack basket, 13,000 pound Vevor winch, Vevor hitch cargo carrier with ramps, and I've got folding ramps too. But what better time for me to demonstrate what I have here than right now, after I just went and picked up a whole bunch of small engine equipment to flip. In this box are 8,800 pound aluminum ramps. As you guys seen from my former videos, I have the 500 pound ramp. I also have the 1,500 pound folding ramps. And I have used a snowmobile ramp. But there's no ramp that even comes close to these ramps. These ramps can support 4 tons of weight, 8,800 pounds. They're 15 inches wide, and I believe they're 72 inches long, which is about 6 feet. These are super heavy duty ramps that you could use for a car or a truck for that matter. So I'm gonna take it out of the box here, and I'm gonna try to unload this stuff using these ramps as a demonstration. As you saw from time lapse, I removed a couple of mowers and the carrier, and here are the Vevor 8,800 pound truck ramps. They are beefy, really beefy. I'm going to take out the 1,500 folding ramps and show you the comparison. So here's the 1,500 pound foldable aluminum ramps, also from Vevor. Look at the comparison of the sturdiness and the stoutness of those. Really a great difference. And if you can carry 750 on just one of these, combined 1,500. These over here, that's 4,400, just that one. Extremely durable. Now to unload the remainder of my truck bed. To make it easier, I'm going to put these ramps up just to show you guys. Here's how beefy it is. Look at that. Look at this welded aluminum. And they're not very heavy, given what it is. Oh boy. That's incredible. They also come with a pair of gloves, work gloves, as well as 2 pins and arc clips, so that if you have holes inside your bed, you can secure these from unloading and pushing them off the tailgate with these rods that you put inside to secure it to your tailgate. So very cool tools if you needed them. but I think for my purposes, it'll come right down fine. So there you go, look at that. I was able to unload everything really quickly with these new Vevor ramps. So these ramps are way more than what I need them for, of course. But it's good to know that I have the capability and the capacity to support 8,800 pounds. In which case, in the future, who knows? I might have a trailer and I want to flip cars instead, right? This would be perfect for flipping cars. Cars going up these ramps right into my trailer. These are actually a must-have if this is the type of trade that you do, and they're not very heavy individually to carry, and as you can see, these 8,800 pounds is just very, very, very heavy duty. If you guys are interested in these 8,800 pound ramps, check the link in the description, or go to vevor.com and check out the tens and thousands of products, some of which I already own. Thanks all for joining me on my ramp review. We'll see you guys all next time on Mowers and Blowers.